Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix GeForce Experience unable to retrieve settings. Try again later on Windows. So first of all, of course, I'll open GeForce Experience, go to this little gear icon, games and apps, and remove all the basically locations from here. And then restart your computer and go back and scan now, right? And after you do that, then the problem should be fixed. But if the problem persists, what you can do here is to basically close GeForce Experience, go to and press Windows and R key, and here you need to press basically write %, temp %, right? And then press OK and delete all the files from here. It's safe to delete here, and if some files basically you cannot delete, just leave them in there, right? Just cache files, super easy and safe to delete. And after you do that, then the last thing that you can do here, you can go to your NVIDIA control panel here and go to manage 3D settings and press restore. And if the problem persists, the last thing that it can basically cause the problem is your antivirus or VPN. Try to basically disable for a bit and try again. And also on the task manager, look if you have some overlay apps that can cause the problems like OBS, CCleaner, or Discord. Try to basically end the tasks here and try again, and the problem should be fixed, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.